back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today we are going to be making a table topper. Now, these are really lightweight pieces of hardboard. Images show up great on them, and they have a cork backing, so they're great for sitting on your table and using as a placemat. You can also use these for plants that are decorating maybe the centerpiece of the table, or if you have a very upscale event, you could label the placemat table topper with a guest name and use them as a placeholder. These are really easy to make, and I've got something special about them that I'm going to tell you at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and get started making them. So look at the colors that pop out on the table toppers. And also look at all the different sizes that they come in. We've got a smaller square, a rectangle, and a circle. I'm going to be working with the rectangle today. So let's go ahead and move the others off the table. Now the items I have with me today are my protective heat gloves, my Conde tape, I have my blank table topper, some protective paper, and my image. The first step we're gonna do is make sure we grab the protective film and peel it off of our blank table topper. We always wanna do this when we're working with hardboard products, because if we leave it on, not only will our image be sublimated on top of the plastic, but it will also ruin our press, and we do not want to ruin our equipment. Now the second step is going to be to take our image and line up our hardboard with the image. And once it's even and centered, we can tape it down with our heat tape. Now, you might notice the cork that's on the back. This is one of the reasons I love using the table toppers as a placemat, because it's not gonna scratch your tabletop, and it's also gonna protect any wood surfaces from hot products. All right, now that we've made it to our press, we're gonna go ahead and lay a piece of protective paper down first, followed by our table topper with the image face down. We're gonna secure it with another piece of protective paper. And because all my settings are all ready to go, we can press. But for the latest instructions, visit Conde.com. And that sound means it's done cooking. So let's see how our table topper turned out. I'll make sure to get that image off as quickly as I can. Get all the tape off. And that looks awesome, but this piece of hardboard is really hot. So I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'll show you the end results. Didn't it turn out great? Now that I have a set of table toppers, I can use them in front of my bar stools at home as a placemat. I'm so excited. Not only can you do that, but remember how I told you I had a tip for you. Well, because the backing is made out of cork, you can also sublimate it. So if you wanted to put your business information or logo on the back so that customers know where they can reorder, you can, and I encourage you to do so. The opportunities are endless. For more tips, products, and services, visit Conde.com. And for more of my videos, be sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, thanks for watching.